Hey all, welcome back. So today I got a chance to play around with React app using Salesforce multi-framework, which I wanted to share with you all. So before then, to host a React app within Salesforce, the process was a little complicated, where the React app needs to be hosted in any external cloud application like Heroku and use Canvas or iframe to point to the Salesforce container. But with Salesforce multi-framework, where the React app can be hosted within the Salesforce ecosystem. So in this documentation, the steps were pretty straightforward, and I used the a simple way to create a React application using VS Code. So, so the Salesforce provides build React apps in Salesforce that automatically will create the UI bundle along with the README file. So I also created an agent MD file using Claude Code, and that provides the file and folder structures. Parallelly, I also created an custom objects and a test data without touching the Salesforce or all within the VS Code and prompts within the Claude Code. So this is the test data um, which which has been created the Salesforce all, and these are all the components that has been built. So I use Tailwind for styling, and so the the application is pretty simple. I just created a flight tracker component and hosted in a local server. So this was the app which I built. So let me do this one. It was a no flight found, and if I go here, check flight, it will take like milliseconds for this to get loaded, and this behind the scene fetches the data, and if I deploy it into a Salesforce org, the way it behaves is I use GraphQL to fetch the data which I have imported behind the scene. That will automatically fetch all the related values. So if I even in this documentation, you can just follow the steps to run the app locally, as well as the ways to deploy it to Salesforce. So very important that if there is any change, that again the npm needs to be built again. The prompt, I mean, the command prompt needs to be ran along with the Salesforce project to where the target or needs to be deployed. So even before that, before deploying, the npm install needs to be ran to have all the dependencies to be running. So this was the org which I have, and this is within the Salesforce where we are running the React app that will fetch real time and get the data and show. So Salesforce provides a 3-day free trial, which I would highly recommend if you wanted to play around and feel how the React app is behaving in Salesforce, and let me know in the comments what do you feel about it. Thank you guys.